Brake. Press the brake to stop the car. Break. She didn't break the cup. Peak. We reached the mountain peak. Peek. Take a peek through the window. Board. She wrote on the board, bored. I am bored because of the rain. Dye. I will dye my hair pink. Die. If you don't water them, the flowers will die. Aloud. Please read the poem aloud. Aloud. Smoking is not allowed inside the building. Bear. We saw a bear in the forest. Bear. He walked barefoot on the sand. Heel. Don't drag your heels. Heal. Time will heal all wounds. Flour. She used flour to bake a cake. Flower. The flower is blooming. Maid. The maid is cleaning the kitchen. Maid. My wife is making a cake for me. Not. She is not going to the park. Not. A sailor tied a knot in the rope. Whole. She ate the whole pizza by herself. Hole. Please dig a hole for the plant. Buy. I need to buy groceries. Bye. She said goodbye. Bye. She's sitting by the window. Pear. I like ripe pear. Pear. She bought a new pair of shoes. Road. The road was closed due to construction. Road. She rode her bicycle to the school. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. Meat. They bought meat for dinner. Sea. Let's go the sea to swim. See? I can see the stars. Right. Turn right at the next corner. Right. Please write your name on the paper. Stairs. He tripped on the stairs. Stare. Don't stare at me. Tale. It's a fairy tale with a happy ending. Tail. The dog wagged its tail happily. Steel. It's a new steel spoon. Steal. Stealing is against the law. Toe. You stepped on my toe. Tow. I need a truck to tow the car. Bald. The child bawled for chocolate. Bald. The old man had a bald head. Waist. She put her hands on her waist. Waste. It is not good to waste food. Flu. She has got the flu. Flew. The bird flew away. Blue. Her favorite color is blue. Blue. The child blew out the candle. Brake. Press the brake to stop the car. Break. She didn't break the cup. Peak. We reached the mountain peak. Peek. Take a peek through the window.